Hello, welcome to this presentation about our Honours Bachelor of Commerce program at the George Brown College. My name is Neeraj Sinha, and I am a finance professor and a program coordinator for the B302 program. The B302 program is the finance specialization of our BCom program. I am joined by Professor Mohammed Khan, who is a professor of accounting and who is also a program coordinator for the accounting specialization.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the presentation.
The Honours Bachelor of Commerce program is a full-time, daytime program. The normal duration for the program is 4 years. There are 8 semesters in the program, 2 semesters per year. It includes a co-op work experience assignment. There are 2 specializations in the program, accounting and finance. The first year is common to both the streams. At the end of the first year, the students are expected to choose one of the streams, and then they split up in the 2 specializations. We have 2 intakes every year, one in fall and the other in winter. The program is open to both domestic as well as international students. We have significantly smaller class sizes, which is very beneficial for the students and their learning experience. In the first year, when both the streams are combined, the class size may be around 50 or so. It may be much smaller in years 2 to 4 when the students move to their separate streams.
Hello, everybody. So just give the program overview of this Honours Bachelor of Commerce degree program. So in this program, we have work integrated learning experience of minimum of 420 hours. So these could be either in one block or in multiple cumulative blocks appropriate to achieving the program learning outcomes. So the learnings that will be achieved through these in accounting, so banking management, administration, and financial planning theory. Also, the practice of applying concepts in the real world that you learned in the classroom setup. We have a state-of-the-art facility, which includes network-ready wireless classrooms and study areas within the college campus and classrooms, and curriculum that is current and has been developed with input from our industry partners, as well as professional bodies such as Chartered Professional Accountants of Ontario and the Financial Planners Standards Council.
The following are the admission requirements to the program. We need Ontario Secondary School diploma with 6 grade 12 U or M courses, including grade 12 U English and grade 12 U mathematics. We require a grade of at least 60% in all prerequisite courses, English and mathematics, and overall average of 65% in 6 grade 12 U or M courses. We recommend some of these courses in basic computer software applications and mathematics of data management. Alternatively, we need grade 12 U English and grade 12 U mathematics with grade of 65% of higher in English and 65% of higher in mathematics. And post-secondary courses in English and mathematics will be considered. The next few slides show the various courses in each semester of the program. As mentioned earlier, the first year is common. Therefore, the courses in the first 2 semesters are common to both the BCom specializations. In most semesters, there are 4 core courses and 1 liberal studies elective offered by the School of Liberal Arts. In the first semester, we have these courses on communication, Canadian business fundamentals, financial mathematics, and macroeconomics. Semester 2 courses include a course in personal financial planning. There's an introductory course on financial accounting. There's a course on organizational behavior and one on macroeconomics. Of course, there's a liberal arts elective in addition to these 4 courses. This is the 3rd semester now. Here, only those students who have opted for the finance stream will take these courses which focus on this specialization. There's one additional short course in the semester. It is the Co-op Work Experience Prep course, BCOP 1000. This is a condensed 7-week course where we go over some fundamentals of preparation for a co-op and a job search. You would learn about preparing resume, interviewing, networking, etc. Once you successfully complete the work experience prep course, you are eligible to start the co-op job whenever you find one. These are the 4th semester courses. The prereqs for the courses are also shown. To register for quantitative methods, BMTH 2001, you should have successfully completed BMTH 1002, the introductory financial mathematics course in semester 1. There's BFPL 2103, investments 2, a follow-up course to investments 1 in the previous semester. This course is devoted to financial derivatives. We also have retirement planning and corporate finance. These are the semester 5 courses. Ours is one of the very few programs with a full course on international finance. These are semester 6 courses. Many students may do the co-op assignment in the spring and summer term after the 6th semester, which happens in the winter. These are the 7th semester courses. Finally, these are the 8th and final semester courses in the B302 program.
So you have just heard and learned about the courses which are to be taken, those who are going to be in the financial planning specialization. So from 2nd year, first semester from 2nd year, so you will start either choosing accounting specialization or financial planning specialization. So what you have heard from financial planning, you also have to take 5 courses in each of the semesters from 3rd semester until 8th semester. That means from 2nd year until 4th year, final semester. So these are the courses enlisted for 3rd semester, 2nd year, 1st semester. So there are 4 core courses and 1 liberal arts courses that you have to take. So you have intermediate accounting 1, and for which you have to complete as a prerequisite, which is BSSC 1002, which is financial accounting. Then you have managerial accounting 1. You have statistical method. And you can see that accepting 1 course, for all these courses, you have to take prerequisite course prior to taking these courses. Coming to 4th semester, you also have to take 4 core courses and 1 liberal arts course. And they are intermediate accounting 2, and for which you have to fulfill a prerequisite, which is BSSC 2001, that is intermediate accounting 1. Then you have managerial accounting 2, and for which you have to complete BSSC 2003, that means managerial accounting 1. Then you also have 2 more courses, BMTH 2001, quantitative methods, and BSSC 3004, corporate finance. So coming to year 3, semester 5, You have 4 core courses: Income Taxation 1, BSSC 3002, and you have to complete as prerequisite BSSC 1002, which is Financial Accounting. Then you also need to complete BCMP 2007, Business Management Information Systems. And for that course, you have to complete prerequisite course BSSC 1002, then BSSC 3003, which is Advanced Managerial Accounting. And for that, you have to complete Managerial Accounting 2, which is BSSC 2103. Then you need to complete BSSC 3105, Intermediate Accounting 3. And for that, you have to complete Intermediate Accounting 2, and the course code for that is BSSC 2101. Additionally, you have to complete 1 Liberal Studies elective. Then in 6th semester, you also have to take 5 courses, of which 4 is core and 1 is Liberal Studies elective. So core courses include BSSC 4002, Income Taxation 2, and you have 1 prerequisite to complete BSSC 3002, then BSSC 3104, Corporate Finance 2, and for which you have to complete Corporate Finance 1 as prereq. Then BSSC 3001, Audit and Assurance, and for which you have to complete BSSC 2101 course, which is Intermediate Accounting 2. Then you have BFSM 4101, Human Resources Management, and for that you have to complete as prereq BBAS 1106. And then you need to go for Integrated Work Experience work term. So during the pandemic period, you could not place the students, in a firm or organization. So you have to resort to academic work term, but as situation improves now, we're hopeful that you'll be able to place the students, in a face-to-face setup. In other words, to the prospective employer's premises. So you have to have these work term to be completed. Then semester 7, you have also 5 courses to complete, and there are 4 in core and 1 Liberal Studies elective. So in this semester, you have to take Advanced Accounting 1, which is BSSC 3102. And for this course, you have to complete BSSC 3105, which is Intermediate Accounting 3. Then BBAS 1002, Marketing Management. For these, there is no prereq. Then you have to take Advanced Auditing, which is BSSC 4005. And for this course, you have to complete prereq BSSC 3001, which is Audit and Assurance. Then BBAS 3103, Corporate Governance and Compliance. And for this course, there's no prerequisite. And additionally, you have to complete 1 Liberal Studies elective. Now I have come to the final semester, 4th year, 2nd semester, or 8th semester. You have to complete 5 courses, 4 core courses and 1 Liberal Studies elective. The core courses include the following: BBAS 4001, Operations Management, for which you have to complete as prereq BMTH 2001. Then BBAS 4102, Strategic Management. For this course, there is no prerequisite. Then BFSM 4002, Management Decision Making. And for this course, you have to complete BBAS 1106 as prerequisite. Finally, you have to complete BSSC 3112, Advanced Accounting 2. And for this course, you have to complete BSSC 3102, which is Advanced Accounting 1. And then you need to complete Liberal Studies elective.
This is a very limited sampling of some of the jobs that our students have got after graduation in the past. Tax analyst, accounts payable supervisor, senior accounting clerk, client portfolio analyst, senior financial analyst, financial officer, assistant portfolio manager, and many others.
So next steps. So you have normally 2 intakes, one in the fall and one in the winter. So next one would be in September 2022, which will be the fall semester. And you can apply through visiting georgebrown.ca/B302.
Thank you for listening to our brief introduction to the Honours Bachelor of Commerce program at the George Brown College. I'm sure you may have many other questions about the program. You are welcome to contact either of us by email. The email addresses are shown on the slide. We also have monthly information sessions that you're welcome to attend. Information about the monthly info sessions are available on the program website. Thank you once again.